How to get tokens in Monopoly Go. Now, in Monopoly Go, tokens are the game pieces you use to navigate the board. Acquiring a diverse collection of tokens not only enhances your gameplay experience but also showcases your achievements. And here are basically several methods to obtain new tokens. Now, first of all is daily logins. By logging into the game daily, you can earn rewards, including tokens. For instance, logging in for 7 consecutive days may grant you the dog token. After that, net worth upgrades. As you progress and increase your net worth by building landmarks and completing boards, certain tokens become available. Tokens like the Ducky and Penguin can be unlocked through net worth milestones. You can also complete sticker sets and albums within which can reward you with unique tokens. For example, finishing the Roma Eterna sticker set in the Globetrotting album grants the suitcase token. You can also participate in events and you can also invite some of the friends. This way you should be able to get tokens in Monopoly Go. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.